The government of Dubai has decided to plan the entire city until 2040. Now, before you roll your eyes and you say, another vision, hear me out. This one actually connects with how people live, invest, and move around the city. So let's break it down. Hi everyone, I am Osman and welcome back to another episode from NST Real Estate. Here we want our clients to know where are the best opportunities around Dubai. All the information I am sharing today come directly from the Dubai government's official website, Dubai 2040. By the way, check the timestamp down below so you can easily go back and forth. Dubai has been expanding like crazy in the last 30 years. Tourism, real estate, infrastructure, everything grew fast. Now they want that growth to keep going, but more in a balanced way. First point, they are adding 1.7 billion square feet of land for industrial and economic activities. That's massive. It's like 288 Dubai malls. In the other hand, they are keeping 60% of Dubai's total land as natural reserves. Another point is that they are increasing tourism and hospitality space by 134%. So they are adding similar to the touristic offer that exists right now and even 1/3 plus. And not all of it is in the main hotspots like Dubai Marina, JBR, or even downtown. Now they are expanding in new areas. Some of those touristic projects will be in rural and desert areas. Of course, we will get to that part later. In the same time, they want more green areas inside the urban zones so that more people can live close to parks. Livability and well-being is the main focus here. Dubai will be structured into 5 main center urban zones, each one playing a specific role. Well, the government doesn't want the development to stay in the same hotspots anymore. The new plan spreads it out. First, we have Deira and Port Dubai. This is the historical heart of Dubai. Even though the city wants to go global, they don't want to lose the Emirati culture. They want to say, always remember, Dubai started here as a small fishing and trading harbor, and now it turned to be one of the biggest cities in the world. Also, Deira and Port Dubai still hold the big commercial value. There is Souq Naif, there is Gold Souq, and there is Spices Souq, all happening there. And of course, let's not forget the point that the XP airport is just nearby, and also some new areas that are coming, like Dubai Land, and also the new project for Al Manzar and Jumeirah Beach are coming there. It's all part of the 2040 plan. Second is downtown and Business Bay, the financial core. It's already a mature market, but we still see like mixed-use residences and branded towers. For our investors, this area is all about stability and premium appreciation. And then the touristic hub, Dubai Marina and JBR. Tourism here never slows down and short-term rentals keep performing. With tourism space set to grow by 134%, as I said before, this will remain as a top area to choose from. And the fourth urban center, Expo City, the hub for exhibitions and global events. It's really close to Al Maktoum International Airport, which now it's going to be expanded to be the biggest airport in the world. This is a 5 to 10 year investment area, and it's expected to boom once the airport and the logistics projects are fully operational. And last urban center is Silicon Oasis. Prices there are still affordable, but the area is growing fast with tech professionals, new startups, and even universities. It's also a part of Dubai Land, and it will be connected with the Dubai Metro Blue Line. And don't forget, it's an access point to Sheikh Salam and the new projects around the Dubai rural area. Dubai's government wants to double the green and recreational areas. They want also to make sure that 55% of people are living within 800 meters of public transportation. The Dubai Metro line is a key point in their project, and some of the lines are already confirmed. I have made already a video about it. Check it out here. They focus also on increasing health and education spaces by 25%. Another key point that proves that the Dubai government is focusing on well-being, they want to expand the public beaches by 400%. It means +4 times what we have already here in Dubai. Projects like Al Manzar, Jumeirah, and even Jebel Ali shoreline, which will be the longest beach in Dubai. And there is another point, which is the National Housing Program, a 65 billion dirham investments for the next 20 years to provide integrated communities and lot plots for Emirati citizens. Well, as long as they want to expand in terms of urbanism, 60% of Dubai's land will keep remaining as natural reserves and rural areas. There are multiple projects like Dubai Countryside's Master Plan, the Sayh al-Salam Scenic Routes, Sports and Adventure Initiatives, and of course, there is also a Term Dubai project. Dubai's Master Plan of 2040 isn't just another vision on paper. It's a full strategy of how Dubai will balance between real estate growth, sustainability, and livability. This plan shows you exactly where the future is being built and why. Alright dear, if you made it until here, please don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. Tell me in the comment if you have any question. Don't forget to check out our previous videos and also check out our website. You will find everything you're looking for in there. See you in the next one and bye bye.